I have learned 350 verbs, around 400 different points of grammar, almost 100 adjectives and 300 nouns in Italian. Never did I have any experience with the language before, and as I was learning I made sure not to get any other form of input at all. That is, no podcasts, no books, no songs, no nothing. Nothing but translations. It took me 2 months of hard work. It was terrifically boring, but ridiculously effective. I can communicate in Italian now, and when it comes to my comprehension it is just mind-blowing how easy it is to understand natives once you really know all that grammar and words by heart. Here's the thing, fellows, if you want to learn a language, any language, you will 100% need to learn to say eat, go, come back, betray, think, would, have, need, and so on. My point is, the words that we need are very specific. The grammar we need is very specific, all that's missing is actually putting in the time and effort to really dominate all that info. If your teacher has you repeat that information consistently, your brain has no option but to learn. I am not saying teachers do that, most of them only explain parts of the language and then they move on to the next thing, not allowing you to actually get enough repetition and learn. The takeaway from this is that if you want to learn to say something in a language, any language, for example, whether I like it or not, I will practice English every day, all you have to do is repeat that a couple times every day for a few days and you will absolutely, 100% dominate it. You don't need to be a genius to see how obvious that is. After that, all that's left to do is applying that same logic to the rest of the language that you have to learn in order to become functional in the language. By functional I mean you won't know how to say bamboozle, but you will know how to say trick. It really drives me crazy seeing people breaking their necks asking how can I possibly learn another language. Well, how about you repeat what you want to learn every day so that it becomes part of you as much as your native language is? Again, it's a dull answer, but that's the truth. It's not about whether that is the answer or not, it is. Whether people have the guts to do it or not is a completely different conversation. Just know that the sooner you repeat those nouns, those verbs, those adjectives, those adverbs, and the crucial grammar, the better. And as I'm writing this, a phrase in English just popped up in my head, the sooner the better. Think about it, even if you read books, listen to podcasts, watch movies, or whatever, everything will boil down to how often you repeat the grammar and the words you need. So, you may as well attack the issue directly if you really want to learn fast. So, next time you ask yourself, when am I going to be able to speak this or that language, you tell me. When are you going to learn those words and grammar to start replacing the language you already speak?